Good morning, student. Today we start about Unit 18 Heredity. Like beheads like is an important and universal phenomenon of life as the living being produce offspring of their own kind. However, have you ever wondered how do you inherit trait and characteristic from our father and mother? Do you know? It is gene. It is gene. What is gene? Gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Then, what is genetic? The branch of biology that deals with the genes, genetic variation, and heredity of living organism. Then, what is heredity? Heredity is transmission of characters from one generation to the next generation. What is variation? Variation refers to the differences shown by the individuals of same species and also by the offspring of same parent. Do you know who is father of genetics? Gregor Johann Mendel, father of genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, father of genetics, 1822 to 1884. He was an Austrian monk. He discovered basic principles of heredity through his experiments. It is foundation for modern genetics. He was born in 1822 to a family of farmers in Silesian of Czechoslovakia. At the age of 18, he entered Augustinian monastery at Brunn as a priest. From there, he went to the University of Vienna for training in physics, maths, and natural science. Mendel returned to the monastery in 1854 and continued to work as a priest and teach in high school. In his leisure time, he started his famous experiments on the garden pea plant. He conducted his experiments for about 9 years. How many years? 9 years. From 1856 to 1865. He had worked on nearly 10,000 pea plants of 34 different varieties. Mendel noted that they differ from one another in many ways. Thus, Mendel has chosen 7 pairs of contrasting character for his study as shown in the table. In this table, there are 7 pairs of contrasting characters here. First, you see the heading, characteristic studied, dominant character, recessive character. Do you know dominant character? Dominant character means it is expressive. Then recessive character means it is masked. Then, what are the 7 characters? Seed shape, seed color, seed coat color, pod shape, pod color, flower position, and stem length. Do you know pod shape? Pod means nothing but fruit. Okay, now let us see seed shape. The dominant character round, recessive character is wrinkled. You see round shape, this is wrinkled. Then seed color, yellow color you see. Then green color, recessive character. Seed coat color, colored. Then recessive character is white. Pod shape, inflated. This is inflated structure. Do you know? This is constricted. You see a spiral like is there. Constricted. Then pod color, green. Pod is green. In recessive character, yellow color. Then flower position, axillary. Then recessive is terminal. Axillary means tip. Okay. Then terminal means edge. Then stem length, long. It is long and short. Next, reason for Mendel's success. Okay, he chose the pea plant as it was advantageous for experimental work in many aspects because it is naturally self-pollinating. Do you know self-pollinating? Pollination is nothing but transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the flower. Okay, then and is very easy to raise pure breeding individual. Then it has a short lifespan as it is an annual, and so it was possible to follow several generations. It is easy to cross pollinate. Then it has deeply defined contrasting characters. The flowers are bisexual. Do you know bisexual? Bisexual is nothing but it is the male and female reproductive part present in the same flower. That means androecium and gynoecium. Okay, do you understand, student? Okay, that's all. Thank you.